I've got grandkids, and one of the really special things in life is being able to be there for them. You know, when Christmas time comes around, Papa's workshop becomes Santa's workshop. And Santa's out there making presents. Matter of fact, this last Christmas, my 3-year-old granddaughter said to her mom as they were counting down towards Christmas, yeah, and then Christmas will be here, and Mimi and Papa will come and be Santa. I mean, come on, you can't beat things like that. And being able to make gifts for your kids that they can use, or your grandkids that they can use, and then they pass on to their kids. You know, there's a heritage in that. And there's something about wood that speaks heritage. And to be able to make things out of wood that my family is going to use even after I'm gone, you can't beat that. You know, that's one of the things I give thanks to Woodwork 101 for, because Woodwork 101 has taught me how to make things like this rocking horse. Now, this wasn't actually a gift. This sits in our family room, so it's here when they come to visit us. But, you know, the tricky thing about doing a rocking horse is getting the legs right, because there's a compound angle cut here, and you got to get it. You got to nail it. Well, with Woodwork 101, he shows us how to do it. It's simple, it's plain, and it's effective. And I got to make this rocking horse, and gosh, I made some toy trucks, and, you know, stuff my grandkids enjoy. But what really gives me great pleasure is knowing that it's not just today, that I'm creating a legacy for my family, a legacy of something that'll go on through the generations. And at least part of it's due to Woodwork 101, learning the technique. So what's this Woodwork 101? It's a library of online videos that teach you how to make a whole bunch of stuff. I've made presents for my kids, my grandkids, other family members, using their videos. You see, the videos go through step by step how to make a wide range of things. You learn the techniques, you learn the tricks, and you get to see somebody doing it. You know, you got to see somebody do it to really learn it. The book just doesn't quite cut it. And this is a growing library. He's adding 10 more videos every month showing how to do things like make rocking horses that you can give away to your family or your kids or whoever it might be in your life. And that's, to me, that's a precious thing. That turns my workshop here into more than just some place for me to play around and make sawdust. It turns into something that's a blessing to my family. Now that makes Woodwork 101 valuable to me. Might be just that way for you too. Can you imagine making stuff and giving it to your own family? Giving it to your grandkids? What would that be like, huh? Maybe you should give it a try. You know, there's a button down there. If you click that, it'll take you to the website. I'll show you a little bit more about this. Learn what you could do and how easy it's going to be.